Tots, if they want to advance, partner, into the semis and eventually make the finals, Tots has got to score more than her average, which is at 8.5 right now.
Second best scorer so far for the Cool Smashers next to Schwan.
Ooh. And she's coming off a 27-point performance the last time out. Actually, the 3 points from MJ, Lindsay, and Brooke, they scored 72 points in their win against the PLDT high-speed hitters. That was an impressive win.
Exactly. Triple threat for Petrogas.
Miss-hit by Carlos. Mistimed here. So a chance to counter again. Reverse to Mitch.
Always heavy-handed, Michelle Gumabaw. Breaking through the blocks that time. And good decision for Negrito to actually go there. Late block coming from the middle.
Real. Doesn't matter. Also, it's a start of the conference, end of the conference, middle of the conference. When these two teams meet, alam mo na.
And so far, so good for both teams.
Having said that, though, Creamline in their head-to-head is 29-10. They've had a lot of great matches. They've got a great rivalry, but it has been so far a lopsided head-to-head. But 29-10 as Tolentino serves it to Carlos. Gumabaw again! Massive swing from Mitch. 2 points, 2 attacks.
Fast reverse set coming from Negrito. An open cross court for Michelle Gumabaw. Got the hot hands right now.
Standing set. Dug by Coco. That is bad business for Creamline to give it to the net when BVS is there.
Great exchanges so far here coming from both teams. All explosive attacks.
The other thing about this matchup, it doesn't matter whether it's 1 in the afternoon or 7 in the evening.
Any time of the day.
It's prime time volleyball.